Hey guys, don't miss out on the rather large update to Creality Print 6. Looks like they've been aggressive in squashing small bugs, and we have a pretty nice list of things here. Go ahead and get that installed. Also, when installing it, there are a ton of profile updates to get done. Please don't miss this little link right here about new parameters package. You're going to see they've updated pretty much every printer's profile. You don't have to go ahead and press update all these little green buttons. Just go right here and click on the update all button. However, before pressing update all, go ahead and check this box right here, which will select them all. You'll have to do it for each series of printer. Then go ahead and press update all. Starting update, please wait a moment. If you missed it or it froze up your screen and didn't happen, which is what happened to me, mine froze up and I closed the program. Upon rebooting, it didn't offer it for me again. Go ahead and click here on the gear. And to make sure auto sync user presets is checked, this will go ahead and update all those things for you. Do we trust that to happen? How do we know that happened? Your guess is as good as mine, but we will take their word for it. Let me know how your update went. Did it work or did it bomb out? Also, if it bombed out, let me know if you found a way to get it to push that update screen again. Or perhaps it went ahead and automatically updated and that's why we can't see that screen again. Hit me with your thoughts in the comments.